There was a time when Earth never slept. Cities glowed through the night. Highways stretched across continents. Airplanes crossed the sky every minute, and billions of people filled the planet with noise, ambition, and life. That world is gone. The year is 2475. New York's streets are silent. Forests have swallowed entire neighborhoods. Rivers now run where roads once stood. Nature has reclaimed the cities humanity spent centuries building. And somewhere on this abandoned planet, one person remains, the last human on Earth. For decades, scientists believed humanity's future lay among the stars. As climate disasters worsened and resources dwindled, governments united to build massive space colonies beyond Earth. At first, only the wealthy could leave. Then came the engineers, the doctors, the teachers, the families. Year after year, millions boarded giant spacecraft bound for Mars, Europa, and orbital cities floating above distant worlds. Humanity did not leave all at once. It happened one launch at a time. No one knows exactly why he stayed behind. Some believe he was afraid to leave. Others think he simply loved Earth too much to abandon it. But for 20 years, he has lived alone. Every morning begins the same way. As sunlight breaks through the cracked windows of his apartment, old machines slowly come to life. Solar panels on the roof power the building, while an aging artificial intelligence system manages water, electricity, and communication. His first task is survival. He checks the rooftop garden where vegetables grow between rusted metal and broken concrete. He repairs damaged equipment and collects rainwater stored in enormous tanks. The city around him is quiet. Too quiet. The sounds that once defined civilization have disappeared. No traffic, no voices, no music, only the wind, and the distant cries of animals that now roam freely through empty streets. His only companion is an outdated service robot named Atlas. Built decades ago, Atlas was designed to assist humans in harsh environments. Time has damaged its circuits, but somehow it continues to function. For years, the two have shared the same routine. Together, they search abandoned buildings for supplies. Together, they maintain the small sanctuary that keeps them alive. And together, they watch Earth transform.
The final ship will arrive.
Without humanity, nature adapted faster than anyone expected. Trees burst through roads, vines climbed skyscrapers, wolves wandered through shopping centers, deer nested inside stadiums where thousands once gathered. Entire ecosystems returned to places that had forgotten what wilderness looked like. The oceans grew clearer, the air became cleaner. For the first time in centuries, the planet began to heal. But healing came at a cost, because every empty building tells the story of someone who left. Every rusted bicycle, every abandoned classroom, every photograph collecting dust in forgotten homes. They are reminders that humanity once lived here, and now only one witness remains. Each evening, the last human climbs to the roof of his building. From there, he watches the sunset disappear behind a city that no longer belongs to people. Sometimes he speaks to Atlas. Sometimes he listens to old recordings from Earth before the Exodus. And sometimes he simply sits in silence, wondering whether anyone among the stars still remembers the world they left behind.
Would you like to board?
For 20 years, there has been no answer, until tonight. Deep inside an abandoned communication tower, a forgotten machine suddenly powers on. Lights flicker across dusty control panels. Static fills the room. Atlas turns toward the signal. For the first time in decades, a message is coming from space, and everything is about to change.